Okay, this one is trying to define pressure, force, and area. It basically says you have 850 torr that is felt all around as pressure on this particular container. It says that the surface area of this container is 10 meters squared. And what it asks us to do is find the force that's exerted on the walls of the container. So we want to figure out how much force there is due to the molecules colliding with the side of the container. So what we're going to do is we're going to say, okay, pressure is equal to force divided by area. Okay, I already have this. This right here is a pressure because it's measured in torr. This right here is an area because it's in meters squared. So what you need to do now is you need to say, okay, can I plug these in as they are? And the answer is no, because this right here is in torr. And the standard unit for pressure is in pascals. So what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to convert this value in order to be able to plug it into the equation. So we're going to start off with 850 torr. And we're going to convert, and what we want to convert to is pascals. Okay? So if you look at your chart in the book, there are 760 torr, and that is equal to 101,350 pascals. Okay? That's our conversion factor. We have all these things equal 1 atmosphere. Torrs cancel out, torr, so what we're left with is pascals, which is what we want to be in. So now this one's a little different than the one we did before because you have a term on the bottom. So you take your calculator out, you say 850 times 101,350, and then you divide it by 760. And when you do that, you get a pascal value, which is a pressure, of course, of 113,351. Now, we know we can't do this right here. That's too many significant digits. If you look, the highest value that we have that's given to us has really 3 digits. Even this one's kind of questionable. But we're going to say that this is 3 significant digits. So you can't round it out to 113,351. Instead, this is really the last digit you can round to. So we're going to go ahead and say that this is just 113,000 pascals. Okay? Now, we have our pressure. We have our area. We can go ahead and we can solve for the force. So we have 113,000 equals F divided by 10. So it's pretty easy to solve. You multiply both sides by 10, and when you do that, you get 1.13 times 10 to the 6th newtons. So that's the total amount of force that's exerted on the walls.